In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show margins in Canva. If you've ever had text or images sit a little too close to the edge of your design, this quick setting will help you keep everything neatly inside a safe area. Margins in Canva are visual guides only, shown as a dashed rectangle, and they're great for both print and digital projects because they help you maintain clean spacing and avoid accidental cutoffs. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can see your canvas and the top toolbar. This is important because the option we need lives in the editor, not on your account homepage. Once your design is open, look to the very top left corner of the editor. You'll see a small menu labeled File. Go ahead and click that to open Canva's file options. Inside that file menu, choose Settings. This opens a small panel that controls a few handy editor preferences. In that panel, find the option labeled Show Margins. Click it once. The moment you turn it on, your canvas will display a dashed line near the edges of your page. That's the margin guide. You don't need to change anything else here. Just that single toggle does the job. You'll now see a dashed rectangle on your page. Think of this as your safe zone. Keep important content like headlines, logos, and key images inside this box for the most polished results. Anything that sits outside the dashed line may look crowded, and in printed pieces it could be at risk if the paper shifts slightly during trimming. For digital designs, margins help create consistent spacing so your layout looks intentional and balanced. These guides don't affect your design elements, and they won't appear when you download or print your file. They're purely visual aids while you work. If your project has multiple pages, Canva shows the same dashed margin on each page, so your spacing stays consistent throughout your document. That's all there is to it. You opened your project, clicked File in the top left, went into Settings, and turned on Show Margins. From here, design as you normally would, using the dashed line as a smart boundary to keep everything clean and readable. It's a small step that makes a big difference in the final look of your work. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!